What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Vette. Glad you are tuning in. So we are at another car show here at Andretti Indoor Cardigan Games, and we're trying to get the LSC club out here. We got about 12 of us so far, so I'll show y'all all the rides you can kind of see in the back, and hopefully it's a good turnout. Cars are still coming, but hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start showing off cars. All right, so as you can see, we're at Andretti Indoor Cardigan Games. They're hosting this, and they're pretty cool. Check them out. Now, we got the starting lineup over here. As you can see, we got all of the Vettes down that way, and I'm just gonna slowly go through these cars. All right, guys, starting to drizzle a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and get everyone's whip in the video. There's mine, looking real clean. We got this yellow C7 Z06, C8 Z06, the blue C8. We got all these cool Corvettes. Oh boy, we got Jay and we got this other guy coming in. They're gonna take these spots right here, but they look real nice. Got the dog in the video.
I think he thinks you're taking a picture.
Check it out. And then, actually, my buddy, he has his GT.
We got some GTR action over here.
So we got our. Is that yours? Oh yeah. I saw it and I was like, and I did this. I was like, all right. I was like, maybe it is like him. I don't know. I know that guy. I was like, stay here.
Man, it's clean. Let's take a look inside.
We all stayed in one room one time. We had like one like this.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see the parachute. That's Texas 2K ready. Man,
5 of us in a room.
I did not even see that. That's nice.
Well, it was like 6, 7 o'clock.
Oh, we got the white C8 Z06 LSC. Our other guy who's he's arrived. Oh man, this thing is clean. So we got a black C8 Z06 at the back, and we have a white C8 Z06 at the front. Look at this. Wait, what's up?
That was framed exotic.
Got a nice GTO right there. He was chopping when he came in.
Really? And even with all of that, this car is a better car.
Got a lot of Audis. Man, there's a lot of Audis. Ooh, we got a nice Shelby GT500 over here. I like that blue. It's a nice blue color. There's a back shot. Got another S550. Honda S2000 wide body. Ooh, look at that. It's a bug on huge tires and wheels. 70 Chevelle. Man, look at that. That is the definition of muscle right there. Look at that engine. 454. Wow. And we got a couple more over here. Some more classics. Got an orange one. We got a couple more Mustangs. Got a Shelby GT350. I like the color. That looks nice. Real nice. White stripes. I'm a sucker for the Shelby Mustangs. Cobra, Terminator, GT500, GT350. I like them. Lambo doors on the Mustang. All the work for us, I guess. Nice, nice, nice. All right, guys, we filled up the last of the spots. We have 20 Corvettes here. We represent it. You got my cones?
Yeah, I was about to add
Dude, we got 20.
That Pampers, he's always game. He'll wake up whenever.
Oh, we see a little Frenchie. Look who's come late to the show. We got 2 Ferraris. All right, we're gonna get a little bit more of mine in because it's my channel. But she looking clean, real clean, so clean you can eat off her. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much the video. It was a little bit smaller meet because there was multiple meets happening at the same time, but that's okay. We had 20 vets come out, and I think it was a pretty good video nonetheless. More will be coming, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. Anyway guys, that's it. Until the next one, Rogue Vet out. Peace.